problem. It wasn't heavy as fuck or anything.
I was gonna help you, but you just took off with it.
Today's event's already in progress. Are priming the torque converter, putting it on, marrying the engine and transmission, putting them the fuck in. I want you to reenact what it was like to do this without any help. If you can do this with a tree without any help, then you can do it with a cherry picker without any help.
Okay, so you're gonna sit back and watch.
Yeah, I'm directing.
I don't know to stop. I can run itself way which extend the story. Come to the cut out, let it go. You guys begin to that's the right. I couldn't do. Don't run anymore. Don't not to stop. Don't not to stop.
So we painted the inside of the cab, the floor is done, and in my spare time, I got the seat fixed. Found a cushion at the junkyard for 10 bucks, put it in. Non-matching seat covers, vinyl paint, $12. Seat. Help me maneuver this in so I don't scratch the hell out of everything. The water pump is on. Seat is bolted in. The fancy new steering wheel is on. Even though it's got a big chip out of it. And we're gonna take showers now.